Hi guys. Um, anyway, I have somebody that very important, very dear to me, and even I don't exactly mention their name. There are lots of people that I really like and good friends. We met in circles in college, and maybe for their security, from my experience, I kind of thought maybe we should not. Yeah, sometimes just mixed up um, with some of the TV characters' name together. That would be okay. Identity would be safe. So, because I like them, so I wanna use I even wanna use their name after my kids, or that kind of love I have. So I don't want to change their name sometimes when I mention to the people that I really like. But for their security also, I don't maybe I don't tell everything about them. Maybe that's important. Maybe I thought so. But I still wanna regard them, regard their important numbers or everything and their names. I don't want to change their name because it's not gonna be them if I change their name. If I just a little talk, if I say somebody I like this person and don't want to change the name, but even I don't tell their name, exact name or anything, but still there are lots of people that I really like and I still love them and I still feel thanks to them for everything we could spend time together. And so I just want to mention that because I took note for something I want to tell, but I kind of forgot and I just took a note and I saw it. So not exact feeling I was trying to say. Maybe I can't tell now because it's just a little some piece from my note. But I still remember what I really wanna tell, and to be remembered. To thanks to some people that I really like, and forever I love them. So it's about it, and to be continued.